Hey everybody, how are you? Welcome to a review of the Decadent Minimalist wallet. If you want to find them on the internet, it's the word Decadent, then the word Minimalist, altogether.com. You know that funny little meme that's on the internet with that crazy cartoon and the character screaming, "Fund all the small wallets"? Well, I've been funding a lot of small minimalist wallets, and I like them all. But as of the time of this video, I'll have to tell you, my go-to minimalist wallet at this time is the Decadent Minimalist wallet. Why do I say that? Well, let's get right to it. There's form, function, fit, and finish. Those 4 F's are very important in any product that you're interested in making or buying. So let's take a look at the form, function, fit, and finish of the Decadent Minimalist wallet. So first of all, we see we have 3 sizes. We've got the 12-card model, which is in orange, and below that we have the 8-card model, which is in hard anodized black, and we have, as the smallest model, the 4-card DM1, Decadent Minimalist 1 wallet, in green. And you can get these in different colors. So from a form factor, we've got 3 different sizes. We have a whole bunch of different colors, and that's part of the form dimension when we're reviewing the wallet. Taking a little bit more closer look at the Decadent Minimalist wallet, you can see, wow, it's one piece of aluminum. That's cool. A single piece, unibody construction. That's neat, like that. And so that pretty much takes care of the form. What about the functionality of this wallet? Okay, well, let's see that we've got a card. Imagine that's a credit card or your license or whatever kind of card you have. See where this curl comes over the top of the DM wallet, and there's a lip there. See that little lip? And see you got the same lip here at the bottom. That little lip causes you some resistance because you cannot fit the card directly into the channel of the Decadent Minimalist wallet. You've got to get past that lip. So because it's aluminum and the way it's designed with these cutouts in the corner, you get this hinge effect, and if you just push the card in a little bit, it starts to enter the channel. You see the pressure, the 2 sides of the DM wallet now are holding the card in place right there, and it won't even fall out at this point, right? So now you've opened the DM1 wallet and you can push your card in. Did you hear that positive click close? That tells you that that card is now seated in your DM1 wallet, and that card is not going to come out. No matter, well, I shook it pretty hard and it didn't come out. So that's the function that I really like about this wallet. You got a easy way to slip the cards in, and you get a positive click close to let you know that the cards are seated in the DM1 wallet. So let's just run a couple more cards through it. 2 and 3 and 4. Oops, turn that around the right side. So we've got a 12-card version of the Decadent Minimalist wallet. We've got 4 cards in there. We can put 8 more cards in there. That's a lot of cards to be able to carry around in a nice package like this. Now, the 12-card model, I use it just like I'm showing you here. I have various reward cards or membership cards or access cards. And so I have a lot of those, so I put those all in the DM1 12-card model. The other part of the function part, which I forgot to mention, was how do we get the cards out? Well, you pull them all out. Then I find the best way is to fan them from back to front using this hand to push the cards forward. Find the card that I want, take it out. If you want to lock the cards back into place while you're waiting for your transaction to be done, you can do that. You get your transaction done, you pull your cards out. I want to put this one back where it goes, and now you're ready to go again. So again, that's the function, form and function. So we can put 8 more cards in here, and I use the 12 card model for these kinds of cards. And then for my daily use, I use the 8 card model. And then, you know, with a little bit of practice, if you have to load all your cards at one time, you can get those in there. And that's the 8 card model that I use on a daily basis. So that's my 12 and 8. And then I got the 4 card too, because I just wanted to check it out. And I was wondering, well, how can I use this? Because my daily use, I'm using the 8 card, and then I've got the 12 card for all my other cards. So what am I going to use the 4 card model for? And I thought to myself, hey, you know what? My badge holder that I use at work, it's always, you know, I'm just not satisfied with my badge holder. And so I decided to try and use the DM1 wallet. And here's another 4 card in blue. And I did a bit of a hack where I jerry-rigged some 3/32 inch cordage through the corners of the DM1 wallet. And lo and behold, I came up with the best badge holder I've ever used. This one will hold up to 4 cards. I have 2 different badges plus an access card for a computer system, and it works really great. It hangs from my neck like this, and that's what it looks like right in the middle of my chest. And it is very easy to get a card out if I need to get a card out and run it through an access badge reader, or to show anyone who has to look at my badge. So that was really neat. And then I've been in contact with the manufacturer, Mr. Eric Moon. He's the designer, inventor, and owner of the Decadent Minimalist company. And I told Eric about my hack, sent him a picture of it, and lo and behold, a couple months later, Eric sent me this. This is the Decadent Minimalist card badge holder. So we can see that what he's done is he's added a little bit of features on the top of the badge holder. Now it's a badge holder where there's a cutout where you can put in your flat plastic hitch or snap closure, or you've got 2 little holes where you can run cordage through it. And that's the way I've got it set up now. And again, this is a prototype that Eric is working on, but see that cutout right there? There's a cutout where your flat snap plastic closure can go, and there's 2 holes where you can run your cordage through it. And I'm using it now. And just to show you a couple other things, on this particular one, I'm using a safety breakaway bead to because you need to be careful when you're using cordage around your neck, so you don't want to get it hung up in something. But the badge holder is working just great for me, and I really like it a lot. And I just thought it was really cool that Eric was able to take the Decadent Minimalist line to expand the product line to now a badge holder. And I tell you, it's the best badge holder I've ever had. And then on the other thing I wanted to show you, just to get a little plug in for one of my video series, on this particular one, originally that I did the hack on the 4-card Decadent Minimalist wallet, I used a speed bead hitch, which is a video series that I have, and if you haven't seen that, you can check that out. And again, the speed bead hitch is also a breakaway bead, and this will run through if you need it to, so you don't get caught up around your neck with a lanyard. So that is the review. Again, we have the 12 card, the 4 card, the 8 card, and the 4 card wallet. And instead of having to hack your 4 card to turn it into a badge holder, DecadentMinimalist.com now has a prototype, so they'll be soon be coming out with a badge holder. And so I can tell you, you won't have to be funding any more minimalist wallets if you go and get a Decadent Minimalist wallet, and you'll also have the very best badge holder you could ask for as well. So that's a review. Thanks so much for taking the time to check it out, and look forward to seeing you on the next review or series in our ongoing exploration of neat things. Thanks. Bye-bye.